Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to create an improvised flashlight. We're not using batteries, but we're using our own bare hands to produce light. So without further ado, let's proceed. First things first, we have to dismantle this. Splendid. So first things first, we have to mark this from here to here. So we're what the heck, we're gonna be cutting this to make our very own flashlight. Okay, here it is. So it's been cut. So we are gonna be needing our own base. So we are gonna be putting this right here. And where's the broken flashlight? Okay, this in this direction right there. So is some motor, screws, and okay,